Hey, what's up everyone? It's been a while since the last video, partly because my laptop does not work anymore. I apologize. But today we're going to be reviewing these, the Galaxy Buds Plus. So I've been using them for more than a week now, and let's do a quick review of them. I'll try to make this video short. I'll talk about 5 reasons why you should buy the Galaxy Buds Plus. So as you can see, here's the box of the Galaxy Buds Plus, and it's written in some language I don't understand. Make sure that the seal is intact so that you know the product is original. Got some paperwork, the USB-C cable, and the interchangeable tips. And let's move on. Quick start guide. You don't need any of this. So let us just open the Galaxy Buds Plus, and there's your first look at the case and at the buds. They're charging right now. They look great. I love the white color. It's very pleasing, very easy to the eye. Yep, so that's how they look right out of the box, right out of the case. And you can, change these tips to your preference. Alright everyone, so the first thing that I want to go over is the price. So the Galaxy Buds Plus, they cost around 19,000 Pakistani rupees or $150 US. Now this is significantly cheaper as compared to AirPods Pro, which cost around $250 US or somewhere around 39,000 Pakistani rupees. So in that huge amount of difference, you're getting a whole lot minus the active noise cancellation. But they do find a way around it with the software. So I think these buds are the best value for money that you can get right now. So in price wise, this is super affordable, and for the price range, it gives you lots of features, which we should discuss. So moving on to battery life. The battery life of the case is 22 hours. The battery life of the buds is 11 hours. So when you combine that, you can get 33 hours of battery life out of the Galaxy Buds Plus. Now this is a huge battery life as compared to, again, the AirPods or the Google Pixel Buds, whatever they are. So because the AirPods, the Pixel Buds, they have around 6 hours maximum battery time. So these will run a lot. An average user will get 3 to 4 days out of it easily. So yeah, battery life is again a great plus, and it is also capable of wireless charging. I just put it on the back of my phone and it charges. So yeah, thumbs up for that. The third thing that I want to go over is the music listening on this thing. So if you're a great music listener and you do it all the time, these are the buds for you, because they, as you can see, they have these rubber tips and the silicone tips inside, which create basically a seal inside your ear, and it just has a heavy bass. So it just gives you an all-around good performance of these buds. So I've compared it with the AirPods Pro, and while they have better listening experience, if you're listening to podcasts or talking on calls, this is way better for music listening. Now it also comes with interchangeable tips and silicone tips, as you saw in the unboxing. And I've put on the bigger ones because of the slightly bigger size of my ear. And yeah, it actually just creates a great seal. And this rubber tip actually helps the earbuds stay inside the ear. So if you're exercising or doing something else, they don't fall off your ear that easily. Now the fourth thing that I want to talk about is compatibility. The Galaxy Buds Plus are also compatible with iPhone, any Android phone, just as much as they are with any Samsung phone. The Galaxy wearable app is available on iOS and the Android Play Store. And the only difference you'll feel is if you take out your buds on a Samsung phone, they will automatically connect or notify you that your buds are out. And on an iOS or other Android phone, that won't happen. Of course, that's a huge part of the ecosystem, a benefit of the ecosystem. But you get all the customizations that you have through the app. There are load ranges of options, as you can see on the screen. I prefer the dynamic one, which gives great listening experience again, but you can change the ambient sound, and you can change the touchpad, what it does. It can change the volume, open Spotify or open Google Assistant or any other assistant. So yeah, it is super customizable. And talking about ambient sound, it is a software-based experience that they give, which allows the outside noise or the outside sound to come inside, so you can hear what's going around your surroundings. And it has currently 4 levels of ambient sound. Now I found out that the lower levels are good if you're walking in a street or if you want to know what's happening around. But if you go to the 3rd or 4th level, it just becomes a little bit artificial, a little bit robotic. But yeah, on the first 2 levels, it's good.
Lastly, let's talk about the design. So I love the design of this thing. It's very ergonomic, very pocketable, and you know, you just love it when when that happens, when it clicks. Like I talked about it before, you know, the white color and the white Galaxy Note Plus, really beautiful. You know, the buds on the middle where the touchpad, it has this huge gradient type glow, purplish glow, and yeah, I like that a lot. It's really beautiful. But yeah, the design is really good. It's very beautiful and very easy to the eye. Right. Now, a few problems that I've also noticed with these buds is first that they currently don't work with the camera of your, you know, mobile phone, which is a huge bummer because a lot of people buy these things so that they can record videos and use these as a mic because they work great as a mic. But that's not the case with this. Apparently there's a software problem which Samsung says it's going to fix it in the future. To date, it hasn't been fixed. So yeah, that's a huge problem. So currently I'm recording, I'm just wearing these so that I can show you, not because I'm recording through them. So yeah, that's a bit of a bummer, but I hope to fix it in the future. In the same way, you know, the voice recorder, the native voice recorder app from Samsung doesn't work with the Galaxy Buds Plus. Voice recordings on WhatsApp, they also don't work. So there are a few things that they need to address with this. However, I don't think this is a deal breaker. I think, you know, these buds are still great value for money. So yeah, that's it guys. Just wanted to make a quick video and advise you guys that if you're looking to buy Galaxy Buds Plus, then you should not hesitate. Or if you want to wait in a month, you'll also see the Galaxy Buds Live, which are bean shaped and fit in your ear. So that'll be fun. But yeah, if you are on a budget and if you want really good earbuds, these are the ones to go to. These are in no way inferior to an AirPods or like Google Pixel Buds or the Sony wireless buds. You know, they do not have active noise cancellation, but I think you can work your way around that, honestly. It has been a great experience using them, and once they fix these issues via software updates, I think that these will become even more better. As always, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. If you like the video, make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell icon, share it with your friends, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then,